Welcome to the online lecture of Michael English School. Okay, students, so today I'll teach you how to write the letters from A to Z. Okay, so first we'll see the capital letters. So, to write A, you will use two cross lines like this and one sleeping line. So, it's a letter A, right? What we have done? You have to use two cross lines and one sleeping line. Okay, so it's our letter A. A for apple. Then next letter that comes after A is B, right? So to write letter B, first we'll use one standing line, then one smaller circle, half circle, and another smaller half circle, right? Means आप upper side पे एक half circle draw करोगे and lower side. Okay, so it's our letter B. B for ball. Okay, then letter B. After the letter B, the letter C. So to write letter C, we will draw only one half circle like this. Okay, then next, after writing letter C, you need to write the letter D. So you will use one standing line and then one half circle. Okay, then next, after writing letter D, the next letter is letter E. Okay, so to write letter E, you will draw one standing line and then three sleeping lines. So it will make letter so E for elephant. Then next letter after E is letter F, right? So to write letter F, first you will draw one standing line and then two sleeping lines. Okay, F for fish. Okay, so then next letter that comes after F is letter G. Okay, so to write letter G, first you will draw a smaller half circle, right? Then one standing line and one sleeping line. Okay, so it's our letter G. Then next letter after G is letter H. So to write letter H, first we will draw two standing line, one, two, and then next one sleeping line, right? So it's our letter H. Okay, then next after letter H is what? Letter I. Okay, letter I. So to draw the letter I, first you will draw one standing line and then two sleeping lines like this. Okay, so it's letter I. Then after letter I, you will write letter J. So to draw letter J, you need to draw one sleeping line like this. Then you have to draw one standing line with a circular portion like this. Okay, so it will make letter J. Okay, then next after letter J, what is the next letter? Letter K. So to draw letter K, first you need to draw one standing line and then two cross lines like this. Okay, then next letter L. So to draw letter L, you will draw one standing line and one sleeping line. Okay, so first letter what we have drawn? A. A for apple, A for aunt. Okay, B. Letter B. B for ball, B for bat. Okay, next letter is letter C. C for cat, C for cock. Then next letter D. D for dog, D for doll, deer, etc. Then next letter E. E for elephant, E for egg. Then next letter F. F for fish, F for frog, right? Then next letter G. G for grapes, G for goat. Then next is letter H. H for horse, H for house. Then next I. I for ice cream, right? Then next letter J. J for jug, J for joker. Next letter is letter K. K for kite, K for king. Next letter is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Okay, then next is letter M. So to write the letter M, you need to draw two standing lines. First you need to draw two standing lines, then you have to draw two cross lines. Okay, letter M. Then next is letter N. To draw letter N, you have to draw two standing lines and one cross line. Okay, M, N. Then next after N, letter O. To draw letter O, you need to draw one circle. Okay, so it's letter O. Then letter P. So to draw letter P, you will draw one standing line and then one half circle. It's letter P. Then next Q. To draw letter Q, first you will draw one circle and then one small cross line. Okay, then the next letter R. So to draw letter R, you will draw one standing line, one smaller half circle, and one cross line. Okay, so it's our letter R. Then next S. So to draw letter S, first draw one smaller circle like this and then continue it in the opposite direction. Okay, so it's our letter S. Okay, then next letter T. So to draw letter T, you will draw one standing line first and then one sleeping line. So it's M for moon, M for mango, then N for nest, N for neck, O, O for one, O for orange, etc. Then P for pen, Q for Q, then R for red, rabbit, etc. S for sheep, S for sun. Then next T for tap, tiger. Okay, now next letter after T is letter U. So to draw letter U, you will draw two standing lines and then join them by drawing a little smaller circle. Okay, so it's letter U. Okay, then next letter V. To draw letter V, just you need to draw two cross lines. Okay, then next is W. So to draw letter W, you will draw one, two, three, four cross lines like this. Then next letter X. So to draw letter X, draw one cross line and another one crossing the first one. Okay, so it's a letter X. Then next Y. To draw letter Y, first draw two smaller cross line and then join it by using one standing line. So it's letter Y. And then last one, letter Z. So to draw letter Z, first draw two sleeping line and join them by using one cross line. So it's letter Z. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Then Y for yak. And then last letter is Z for zebra. Okay, so here we have completed the capital letters from A to Z.